Today we are doing what I call the cookie drop. It's also known as treat zen. We are encouraging the dog to remain sitting while we drop a delicious piece of treat over their head. So, let me get my dog friend here and break up some treats. Klaus. It's my friend Klaus, the boy. So, this helps the dog maintain a good behavior until you tell him it's okay. So I'm going to have my treat up here. I'm going to draw. If he does that, you say no, and he doesn't get it, we start over. Ready? Yes! So if they're jumping up and jumping up and jumping up and they're failing, you want to keep it simple. So if this is what it takes, then you say yes and reward here. But if you come here, sit. If you want to challenge him, yes, good boy. Bring it all the way down to his nose. Ideally, I know. No, get up. Good. Ideally, what are you doing? No way. You should be able. Sit. Good boy. To get the treat all the way up. No. All the way down and put it on top of his nose. Good boy. So if you ever wanted to know how to balance a biscuit on a dog's nose, that's how you start. Don't do it. No. Yes. So Klaus needs some practice at this. Break up some treats here. No. Yes. You want them to be successful? No. Yes. I'm going to make it a little easier. Yes. No. No. Yes. And we're just going to repeat this. Yes. Until your dog is successful about 90% of the time. 90% of the time is pretty explanatory. So, if you're practicing something 10 times, 9 of the 10 times before you make it harder or you move on. This has been today's behavior information session. I'm Liz, and we'll see you next time.